Ready for summer, summer, summer. Falling. Uh, hello. Hello. This is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. This is the Menlo package for the month of May 2019. Check this out. So this is a genuine unboxing. I haven't seen this one, a shoe swap, and then they do have they went to the black tissue paper. Oh, there's a lot of things in here. There's like 4 things. Anyway, the first one that we have is we have a lot of stuff in here. D. Murphy, Good Morning, featuring Jay Sean. So this is the one that they have that came with this one. So I'll put this one aside. I'll put this one on here. The first one is a really gorgeous denim shirt. So there you go. It's a denim polo shirt. Oh, everything is like falling. I don't know. Everything is falling. Anyway, this one just fell. Okay, so this is the one going back to my channel. So this is what we got. This is really nice. I like this one. It's a denim shirt. This one is called Trayvon. It's a medium size from 5'4". There you go. And then this is called Trayvon. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. There you go, Trayvon. And then this is from 5'4". There we go. So this is really nice. So that's 5'4". And then pause. This product is dyed using indigo. As a precaution, it should be washed separately or with other dark colors. We recommend you don't use this product with light colored clothing until the indigo has significantly croaked. After 2 to 3 washing, it should be safe to use with no significant cracking. Enjoy your new indigo dyed product. There's century of history behind it. So let's check it out. So there's the pause version of that. So that's that. That's the one that I read from for you guys. So that's that. And then this one. So there's a pocket on this side, on the left chest area, and then on the back, it's just a simple one. On the back, it's just that, and then there's the tag on here that I guess, to hang it up. I don't know what's this one called. If you know what's this one called, let me know. But look at this one. Look at the details of it. It's really cool, huh? So this is number 1. Number 2, the one fell. I really love their New Republic socks because it really grips good, because it does have an elastic on top and an elastic on top of the foot and on the back, so it doesn't slide off of your foot. So this one, no show socks from New Republic. And then this one is the color Rio. So yeah, this is the color Rio. Oh, if that's, yes, you're gonna see it like there. Okay, so I love this. I always I'm always waiting for this one from them because this one is really good. If you're going to this package, they're not only just for subscription member, if I'm not mistaken on this one. You can go online and check them out too, and then you can buy this one. But of course, if you're a member, there's some certain discounts on that you're able to get. But this one, definitely is a go, because this one I tried and tested. This one I have like 5-6 pairs of this, and it's really good. It doesn't slide and it lasts for the whole day. So this one, a good product for you to have. So yeah, it says here silicone, and then there's the good thing about this one, there's a silicone grip on this one. So it's just the name New Republic, but it lasts for a long time. It doesn't slide or it doesn't glide, and then that's the non-slip heel backing of it. It's really good. I put my my bet on this one. So yeah, you will love this one as much as I do. So, oh wow, they went above and beyond. So today we got 4 items, and then the third one is a shirt again, ready for summer, summer, summer. So this is what we got, and this one is from 5'4" again, and then this one is called Chapman, and then that's 5'4". This one is like the it's like the chino, so this is nice in medium, and then of course just a simple one, and then the color of this one is off-white. Yeah, there we go, you can see that one in there. So yeah, and then the last item that we got, they really did it. We have shorts here. So this is the shorts that they have from 5'4". Their product is 5'4", but the membership club is called Menlo Club. And then this one is Ted Burry. There you go. And then this is size 33, and then it's classic. So that's the shorts. I'm going to show it to you, the front and then the back. So yeah, so the good thing about the shorts is that aside from the regular pockets on each side, it does have a little compartment on here, so which is really nice to put your AirPods, to put some valuables that you have that's small enough that can fit this this side. And then this one has a different 2 different pockets. The one with an open pocket, so which is really nice. And then if you want to secure anything here, so there's a button on here for that too. So yeah, so this is a really great items for May. I'm ready for summer. Summer, come on down. So we got shorts, we got a shirt, the lovely socks that I put my bet on this one, and then the indigo polo shirt, indigo colored denim polo shirt. So those are the things that we got today, and then I'm going to show you some mod shots of all this, and then yes. So if you do have any questions, comments, violent reactions, let me know now so we can really talk about it. No, I'm just kidding. I hope you're having fun on this one, because I am, and I do love filming as much as I can on my spare time. But today it's really fun, and thank you very much for watching and for sticking with me. Thank you very much for sticking with me all throughout at this point of the video. Because of that, I'm going to have a surprise giveaway for the first 10 people who's going to comment on this video. From those 10 people, which is you, I'm going to pick one using a random picker. I'm going to raffle, and then I'm gonna give away a $20 Starbucks gift card that I'm going to electronically transfer to your account, just for fun. So thank you very much for watching. Spread the news, and then yeah, I will see you again in the next video. This is Charles, California. I love you all, my Charles angels. Bye. Don't forget to comment. Bye.